stuck going on terrible dates or dates that lead nowhere? Watch this video on how to make dating fun and exciting. Stop kissing frogs. Hi, I'm Lilian of liliantoscano.com. If you're new to my channel, make sure that you subscribe and hit the bell so you get notified when I do post a video every Monday. If you're having the worst experience ever with dating and you're having the worst luck out there, by the end of this video you will have a different approach to dating that will make it fun and exciting for you. So number one, you have to change your mindset. So one thing I've noticed about women, when we date, we think of dating as a chore. It should never be a chore. Dating should never feel like a drag or a chore that we must do to find the one. It should be fun and full of possibilities. Once you change your mindset, you are going to have a blast on these dates. Number two, stop focusing on the goal. Go on dates and just enjoy them. Just enjoy the beautiful human interaction that you are having with the other person. Don't go through your must-have list and start mentally checking off if he is the one for you. Comment below if you have been guilty of this. So number three, make your goal fun. And what I mean with this is that instead of making your goal having to find that one, make your goal actually just to have fun on your dates. Trust me, the energy that you are bringing into your date is going to be the same energy that is going to be given back to you. So if you just focus on enjoying and having fun, that's exactly what will happen. Number four, be yourself and don't overanalyze. Look, men want to date the real you, not the perfect you. So don't overthink things and don't try to come up with the perfect thing to say, because at the end of the day, if he is the one for you, he's gonna love you for who you are. He's not gonna love you for the perfect things that you keep saying. That's not the real you. So please don't stress out about it and enjoy your dates. Be yourself, be real, be the person that you are. So now you know how to make your dating life more exciting and fun. If you like this video, please make sure that you like it below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share this video with your fellow ladies. And comment below if this video has helped you.